So the first party is the driver, the wife, and the children. Those are the first party. If nilimwambia well tunafanya ile kitu tunaita carpooling, hiyo hakuna. You have charged because now you've converted your private car into a PSV. The easiest way of protecting what you have really worked for a long time is having a simple cover we call personal accident cover. That's it.
Hi guys, I hope this video finds you well. My name is Martin, na sisi ni watu wa insurance. In this channel we do two things. We do civic education as well as reviews on insurance, especially within the Kenyan market. And of course, if you haven't maybe caught the what we are doing in the a few videos before, tumekuwa tukijibu maswali, some of the questions that you have been sending to me. And if you haven't sent, this is how we are doing it. You have a question in regards to anything insurance, whether it's your car investment you have made or maybe medical covers, nitumie hiyo swali either in form of a video, a short portrait video. Hizi video huwa tunaweka kwa YouTube, TikTok ama shorts. And if you are not comfortable with a video, you can do an audio. You record using your WhatsApp. Uniambia, hi Martin, my name is James and I have this question. Nimekuwa na policy ya gari lakini nimefikiwa kufanya claim, nimekwama hapo hivyo, maybe have been hiyo process ya claim imekuwa too lengthy. How can I maybe, you get the point, eh? So you can send me in form of a video or an audio ama text kama maybe you're not comfortable. And in today's video we are responding to one of your question. One of the viewers sent me a question and I want you to listen in because unaweza jipata kwa hii situation. Okay? Now, I have a guest and I said I don't have monopoly of knowledge when it comes to insurance, and that's why I'm looking for people who have experience, who have gone through all the cycles in terms of claims and everything insurance. So we are lucky to have an expert, and I'm going to allow him to introduce himself before we get into the question. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Martin.
Yes.
I'm delighted again.
Yes.
For being here.
Yes.
This is a platform that helps our people understand more about insurance.
Yes.
And insurance is not like it's a very, very special service.
Yes.
It's not like banking.
Yes.
Yeah, where you go to the bank, wewe unaregister, unapata account, wewe mtapatana na huko ukipata pesa.
Yes.
For insurance, it's very, very, let me call it a very different kind of service.
Yes.
Because it ikona ni kama ya makatel, so to call it. I'll tell you.
Yes, you have to tread carefully.
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes, especially for general. Yeah, general, I mean magari, manyumba, medicals.
Yes.
Hizo zinahitaji people who know which button to press.
Yes.
For example, if your car gets an accident, yes, although now the insurance companies are coming up with ways to simplify the claim,
yes,
claim process.
Yes.
But most of the time, you will find that you will need a guy to do a follow-up for you, and sometimes they don't demand much.
Yes.
Wanataka kitu kidogo, hata si wewe unalipa. Wewe ukipitisha kazi yako through him anapata commission, and that's it.
Yes.
I will be very straight.
Yes.
Once he get the commission, hiyo commission ndio itakufanyia kazi ile wakati.
Hiyo ni service fee.
It's a service.
Wakati
wa claim wewe hakuna kushinda ukikimbizana na nini. You will just wait for the repair of the car or the payment of the car.
Yes.
Yeah. So in regards to the question you've asked.
Yes. I haven't asked.
Oh, you've not. Okay, we just discussed.
Yes.
All right. So maybe you can share it with the viewers.
Yes.
So that we can be in the same page.
Yes. I think this is a very important question because unaweza jipata kwa hii situation, and I think we do it daily. But by God's grace, you have never found yourself in a situation that is kind of compromising. So, huyu ni mtu ameuliza, what happens when you are offered a lift Sika lift, unaelewa lift. So ni kubebwa by a private car, then you get involved in an accident and you need to claim compensation. So anauliza umenipata, you are my friend, and your car is private.
Yes.
That is in terms of insurance, you have a private cover. Na tumeenda tumepata accident. At that point ni nataka kufanya claim. Can you take us through the process? And before you even take us through the process, you can maybe differentiate between a private and a PSV in terms of effect, accident.
Yes. So thank you again. What we do is this, or as an individual,
yes,
you need to understand that we have different types of insurance,
yes,
especially when it comes to motor insurance.
Yes.
And let me start from the beginning. We have the first party.
Yes.
We have the second party, and we have the third party.
We always talk about third party insurance covers.
And majority of people don't know.
People have never thought about there is a first, the second, and now the third party.
Yes. So the first party is the driver, the wife, and the children. Those are the first party. The second party is the car. Yeah. So that is what you get. You call comprehensive.
Yes.
And the third party is the usual insurance you get ati ukigonga mtu ama ukiharibu kitia.
Yes.
Mtu mwingine
Atalipo.
outside the car. So that is what you call the third party. So if you understand that, you'll be able to know when to claim and when not to. I want to take the first scenario. If I want to take my scenario, I have my car and I have my wife and my kid. And on the way, nimepatana na Karanja, whom we are not related. Mark that word. We are not
related
in any way by blood.
Whether it's a brother-in-law.
Yes.
A brother-in-law is a stranger.
A brother-in-law is not a stranger.
So you're talking about because a total stranger.
A total stranger. Because that person cannot sue you.
Yes.
Yeah. So if nimepatana na Karanja na ameniomba lift, unfortunately when we are going maybe to the church, tumepata an issue na gari yetu imepata accident, and we've had injuries.
Yes.
Who can claim? Number one, the driver cannot claim. Number two, the wife cannot claim. And number three, the child cannot claim. Only Karanja can claim, and on condition sikuwa nimelipisha yeye kitu. Ni lift nilipia yeye. If nilimwambia tunafanya ile kitu naita carpooling, hiyo hakuna. You have charged, because now you've converted your private car into a PSV. A PSV requires what we call PLL. Unadipia huyo mwenye passenger liability cover. Yeah. So that is when what happens. So Karanja can claim if we get an accident and nilikuwa nimepea yeye lift, lakini Karanja si wetu. Mimi na madam na mtoto hakuna kitu tunaweza claim. Tena that is so ours, when we need to claim is when you have a personal accident cover. Personal accident cover hiyo ndio inaitangwa first party cover. And believe you me, a personal accident cover, guess how much it is per year? It goes for just 1,800 shillings per year. That one gives you the following benefit. Number one, it covers death, accidental death, and not necessarily on the road. Hata ukiwa kwa nyumba inaweza kukava. Hata ikiwa kwa maybe
pedestrian umegongwa
walk ama uwe
kwa matatu
yes, uwe umerudi, tunaelekea msimu wa Christmas. Uko nyumbani unafanyia
umegongwa na ng'ombe teke.
Yes. That's an accident. Now that is when a personal accident cover can pay you. it covers 24 hours. So in the event of death, it will pay $500,000 to the appointed next of kin. In the event of permanent total disability, and I must tell you, it's when you lose, possibly you are both ears, eyes, legs, and arms. Yeah. So that is when we call it permanent total disability. There you can claim $500,000, having paid only 1,800 shillings. If you get one of your pharynx ama karogo, what we call kama kidole moja ikikatwa, you can claim for, I think, 10% of the total amount. So it is very, very important. So it covers death, permanent total disability, temporary disability. It gives you what we call wheelchair. It buys for you a wheelchair. It pays for what we call crutches. Hizi za kutembea. And in the event of death, the very first thing we do as an insurance, we pay 50,000 to the family for the burial. So what wakichanga tutachanga last expense 50,000, and then we shall pay $500,000 to the family. All those benefit, you pay 1,800 shillings.
And I said in another video, it's the most affordable cover, yet the most neglected. Do you think it's because of information people have? They don't have information, or they have but they just choose not to?
I will tell you this, Martin. Majority of people who have cars have never heard of personal accident. It is out of ignorance. You don't know. Maybe your agent only gives you third party. Ama comprehensive, but hakuna pahali amekwambia you are not covered.
You are not covered. Na wengine wanafikiriaga once you have a comprehensive, you are good to go.
You are not. You are not. So that is the first thing, to understand what insurance applies where.
Yes.
So the first party cover or personal accident cover covers the driver and the family.
Yes.
The second party is the comprehensive.
Yes.
And comprehensive covers three things. It covers the vehicle.
That is in case of a damage as a result of an accident.
It covers the vehicle. It covers a third party damages. Ukigonga mtu na gari yako, ilikuwa na insurance. So italipa. Na in that scenario tulikuwa tumesema Karanja nilimpea lift na nilikuwa na comprehensive cover. Bado atalipwa. But mimi sitalipwa kama sina personal accident cover. Yeah. And finally it's third party. Third party covers two things. Mwenye unaweza konga akiwa huko nje, kitu yenye unaweza haribu ya wenyewe, umegonga geti ya wenyewe, na umepea Karanja hapa, pia atalipwa na third party. But remember, usiitishe yeye, usiwe ulikuwa umeitisha yeye fair.
So akienda when you are doing the investigation,
yes,
Karanja afanyiwe ahojiwe
by kuropokwa tu,
aseme tulikuwa tumeka mafuta.
That's it. He will not be paid.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So what I would suggest is when you are dealing with agents, it's always wise to ask whether my family is covered. So that usiwe wewe unalipia gari 100,000 but cover yako ni 2,000 na hukuambiwa, si ati hunge afford. You could have actually paid.
Ulikuwa unafaa kuanzia na wewe,
then
urudi in that order. First party, then you pay the second party, then ikishindikana,
ukikosa pesa ya
uende that party peke yake,
you can buy
that is first party and that party.
First party, but usimiss kujinunulia insurance.
Yes.
Because it's very, very important. Yeah. Otherwise, ushawaisikia mtu amepata ajali, amekaa for 6 months kwa hospitali. Yeah. In that scenario, what happens? Mtu amekaa for 6 good months. First thing ni ati kuna pesa gharama kubwa sana. Gharama kubwa.
Yes.
Who will pay for that gharama?
let me divert kidogo tu nikupatia a good case scenario.
Yes.
Juzi nimebebwa na mzee wa boda na nikarealize jamaa hakanyangi vizuri, kuna mguu iko na shida. So nikamuuliza ni nini mbaya, akaniambia hii mguu iko na chuma. Nikamwambia what happened, akaniambia 2020 and 2021 alipata accident akakaa mwaka mzima Kenyatta hospital.
Yes.
So hiyo 2020 and 2021 alikuwa hospitali.
Yes.
Nikamuuliza kwani what happened, akasema ni waligongana na mtu wa boda mwingine and the other guy died.
Yes.
So this guy alikuwa amefanya job kutoka 2014, alikuwa na save tu pole pole. So alikuwa anajipanga kununua gari, ndio sasa aingia transition kutoka kwa boda
yes.
at least ka taxi.
Yes.
You know savings zake za aliniambia 640,000 ndizo zilimlipia hiyo mguu.
Which is
so even now
yes.
Ako kwa boda na chuma na hana gari, hana savings zake za
hana savings, hana gari, hana
yet yes. Angekuwa amelipa
just 2,000
shillings.
2,000, let us call it 2,000. Yes,
2,000 shillings.
2,000 shillings.
Yes.
For a whole year.
Yes.
It is per year. It's not per month.
Yes.
Hii unalipia for once per year.
Yes.
So inakugharamia half a million. But that doesn't mean that huwezi chukua juu.
Yes.
Ya 1 million ni 3,500. Ya 2 million ni 5,600.
Yes.
Ya 10 million ni 25,000. Because you could be having you could be well up.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and you find my value mimi, I can't take anything less than 10 million.
Yes, yes, yes.
In the event of an accident and you have taken a policy of 10 million personal accident cover, God forbid if death happens, we should leave your children 10 million.
Yes.
So nothing would stop.
Yes.
But what happens when you get an accident? Number one, the accident really drains the family.
Yes, definitely.
It drains them financially.
Yes.
So what you will find is, apart from mental, what do we call it?
Instability.
Yes. Kwa kichwa, familia, it's not stable at all.
Yes, yes.
Mpaka pesa.
That's the worst point ya kukua mnaitishwa pesa kama familia.
Yes. And again, accident ni accident. Accident ni kitu hamkuwa mmejitayarisha.
Yes, yes.
So you are forced to dispose something you had bought preciously.
Yes, yes.
At a throwaway price.
Yes.
Yeah, because it can drain you 5 million very quickly.
So in short,
yes.
If I were to put it this way,
yes.
Using like maybe a personal accident cover or maybe other covers like medical covers is one of the best ways to safeguard your investment.
Very.
Because if something happens, investment is gone.
The easiest way of protecting what you have really worked for a long time is having a simple cover we call personal accident cover. That's it. Na ni pesa hata huwezi ni kwani hata wenye huwa wanakunywa kitu
watu wa pombe
2,000 3,000, how long would it last you?
Not even last. Hiyo hata huwezi
hata ukisema round moja round nyingine imeisha. Yeah, so
yes.
The point is this.
Yes, yes.
It is always important. Usifikiria ati insurance inakuanga ya matajiri.
Yes.
Hapana. Actually the people who really need these things ni wenye sisi tunajibuild.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, you have a lot to lose if something like that happens.
Yes.
But with just 2,000 or 3,000, you are able to protect the family.
Yes.
Yeah, at the same, and a very simple question. If you are hospitalized for like 1 month, 2 months, kwa hivyo huendi kazi,
yes.
Who is taking care of your wife and your children? That is the question.
Yes.
Who is feeding them?
Yes.
Because you being the breadwinner, you are at the hospital. Who is feeding them?
Yes. Not unless you had made some other investments.
And I'm telling you, everything else stops.
Life stops.
When you assume you had hardware and wewe ndio ulikuwa main hapo, bibi alikuwa ameajiriwa kama mwalimu, what happens?
Shifting happens like very fast.
There's a lot of things that changes.
Yes.
Number one, you don't trust your employees 100%. Yes. Ama huna. Yeah, wewe ulikuwa na mtu mmoja. It is very very hard to trust yeye 100% ati ndiye anaangalia
hiyo biashara.
Yes. But with a personal accident cover, do you know it pays you weekly cash? Taslim hivi. Kila wiki huwa inakupea, if it's a cover of 1 million. It gives you around 10,000 every week. So pesa ya matunda,
so uko na 40k ya kusimamia when you're not
every
working.
month when you're not working, you have at least 40,000 because you get 5,000 per week.
10,000 per week.
10,000 per week. 5,000, not 10,000. 5,000.
So 5,000 per week.
Yes, 5,000.
So that is 20,000.
20,000. Hiyo ni yenye tunasemanga ya
ya matunda.
Ya matunda. Yes.
Just paying 2,000. Is 2,000? No.
For 1 million it's 3,500.
3,500 only.
Yes. But if you want a cover that inalingana na level yako, you can always
there are options.
There are options. Yes.
Wow. And I'm certain kuna watu wengi sana wanadipaga easy comprehensive in that parties,
a lot of them, na
hawajuagi information nyingine.
Wao wanajua we akilipa insurance ni
yes.
But I can tell you ni vile agent wako hakwambii.
Yes.
Ati wewe hata yeye maybe hajui. Your agent could be ignorant.
Yes.
Kama wewe. Yeah?
Yes.
So if you want to understand more about insurance, yes, you can always inquire. We shall leave our contact,
definitely,
so that we can be able to guide you,
yes,
on what best option you have for insurance.
Yes.
If you want different quotes,
yes,
for motor, for personal accident, we can give you option of all the insurance companies.
And it's good I mentioned this, I think kuna mtu alikuwa ameniuliza why would I choose company A over company B. I think we'll do another video.
Yes.
Maybe you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss on that video. Why should you choose company A over company B? We'll try and advise you what maybe to look at, whether it's rates, whether it's response in terms of claiming process and all that. So make sure that you subscribe. Leave a comment if you're enjoying this content, and if you have a question, send us. This is what we are trying to respond to, because we want to give you authentic content. We don't want to fabricate. Tunataka kuwapatia ile kitu natafuta, because there's a lot of information that is not out here with people. Yet people are consuming insurance on a daily basis.
Yes. So
we want to make you a better consumer. We want to help you consume insurance responsibly. Na tunasema responsible ni kumaanisha you are consuming insurance from a point of understanding. Unaelewa hizi vitu, so that you avoid frustration. Watu wengi wanasemaga insurance ni wezi, insurance ni nini, yet ni information hawana. You are covered, you took a third party cover, wewe ukakosa kulipwa ama mtu mwingine akakosa kulipwa, unasema ni wezi, yet ni information na huko nayo.
I actually what you'll find
yes,
out of kutojua,
yes,
yeah, you are left frustrated.
Yes.
But ask yourself this. Si huwa unaweka pesa yako kwa bank?
Yes.
Which guarantee do you have that pesa yako iko safe kwa bank? Only one.
Because
they insure that money. No.
Oh.
They insure that money with an insurance. That is the only guarantee you have.
Yes.
Otherwise, we've seen banks.
Oh, I have seen that even in receipts.
Yeah.
Unakuwa na hiyo insurance.
Yes. Kenya KICD.
Yes.
Yeah, Kenya Bankers Insurance something. But what for even big institutions, zenye zina deal na pesa,
yes,
they still come to us. Why would they come to us if we were mikora?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what you need is to get the full information so that you can be able to judge.
Yes.
For yourself.
Yes. Wow. And that's what we are trying to do here. We are trying to break this information down the simplest way that you can understand. Hapa tuongei jargons. Hapa tunawapeleka tu pole pole, and that's why we are requesting you. Kama kuna swali yoyote, whether it's a medical, and I think we are going to cover kuna swali nyingine bado. Anyway, let me not try to preempt everything. Keep watching our videos. You learn a lot and you become a better person. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and until we see you in the next one, God bless you and bye bye.